Welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and if you are new, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I revamped this lampshade. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your lamp is nice and clean. I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol to just remove all of the dirt and dust off of the lamp. And I'm just going to remove the tags from the lamp. And I'm going to get my painter's tape and I'm going to cover all of the area on the lamp that I do not want to be painted, because I'm going to be painting this lamp. And this is what your lamp should look like once it's covered. Now it's time to bring your lamp outside. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color red. And I'm just going to go in a back and forth, up and down motion to make sure that my lamp is fully covered with spray paint. And you're probably going to do like 2 layers of spray paint. That's exactly what I did once my first layer was dry. Now while the lamp is drying, I'm just going to grab an old comic book and I'm going to be cutting some pictures out of the comic book. The way that you cut the pictures from the comic book does not have to be nice and neat. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I just randomly just picked this book because my toddler loves Spider-Man. And if you have seen Spider-Verse, then you guys know what I'm talking about. He really likes that movie. So I decided to create him a lamp. So you're going to grab some Mod Podge and a paintbrush. And yes, this can be a little bit messy. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you what it looks like to spread the Mod Podge on the comic page. And I'm just going to do a light coat of the Mod Podge, and I'm going to place it on top of the lampshade. And it doesn't matter where you put it on the lampshade. And after I place the photo on the lampshade, you can go ahead and like put more Mod Podge on top. But I did it for a couple of pictures. But at the end, I decided to just go ahead and do the whole thing with Mod Podge instead of doing it one by one. So I stuck on the comic book paper picture, and then I went ahead and put some Mod Podge on top of that. So it doesn't matter where you put it, but just make sure that you don't try to do it nice and neat. Just go ahead and just place a whole lot of them down and do, overlap the pictures so that it doesn't look, in a perfect way, because once you make it perfect, you got to keep it perfect. So just make sure that whatever you do, just layer your pictures and it's going to look something like this. Also, another tip is that if you don't have that many pages to your comic book, you can like put like your comic page that you don't really too much care about on the top of your lamp first, and then the pictures that you have that you really like, you can place those up on top of your lampshade to fill in any gaps or spaces that you have created on your lamp. So this part is really simple and fun to do, but also messy. So you're definitely going to have glue all over your hands, but it's definitely washable. So definitely be creative and get all of your favorite comic book pages and put them together and, just place them on the lamp however you like it. Now it's time to go back outside, and I'm going to use a clear gloss spray paint, and I'm going to just spray it all over the lamp. I was definitely trying to rush this process because it was freezing outside. Now that I'm back inside, I get to see the finished product of my lampshade, but I'm going to go ahead and do a thin layer of the Mod Podge, and I'm going to just paint it all over the lampshade to make sure that it gives it that glossy look. Okay, so don't be alarmed by the white residue that you see on the lampshade because that's going to dry very quickly. So you will not see that once you are done putting the Mod Podge on top of the comic book pages. This is what your lamp should look like once the clear gloss dries. I found my images on Google and I used my Cricut to cut the images that I want to have on my lamp. So if you guys need any details on what I did, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm also going to leave you guys detailed information on what products I use to make my lamp. Because majority of what I get comes from Amazon, because fast shipping, and that's my store. So so this is the permanent vinyl that I use to create this spider. Now I'm going to go to the front side and I am going to add the name and the spider web on the front side of this lamp. Also, if you grab your scissors and cut little small slits into your transfer tape, it will make an easy transaction when you're working on anything that is like a round surface instead of a flat surface. The great thing about creating this type of lampshade is that you can pretty much create any type of character that you like. If you have like a book or magazine or something like that, you can definitely create this type of lamp. So it doesn't have to be Spider-Man, it could be anything. So let me know in the comments down below if you plan on creating this lampshade and what kind of character or what kind of decor will you use for your lamp. Yay, and the base of the lamp is complete and I really like how it turned out. Now you can go ahead and remove your painter's tape and you can put it to use now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It would help my channel out a whole lot if you guys would like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss another DIY video from me, Unique World. Until next time, peace.